How to order and pay on Temu app. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can order and pay on the Temu app. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Temu app. If you do not have this application, you can easily download it from Play Store or App Store. Now make sure to log into your account. Now scroll the home tab for suggested products, or you can also head over to the category at the top or use the search bar to look up for a specific item. Now go ahead and tap on the item that you want to purchase. Here you will find all the details about that item. You can also view more photos. Then you can select the size and color or other options that you want. After that, you can simply tap on the add to cart option. Once it has been added to cart, you can continue shopping or proceed to checkout. To check out, tap the cart icon. Now select the items that you want to check out. Then select the checkout option. Now you want to enter your address if you haven't done that already. Once you do that, next step is to enter your payment method. You can select card, PayPal, Afterpay, Affirm, Zip, whichever method you want. If you want to add a card, go ahead and enter all the details about your card. Once that is done, scroll down. Here you can enter a coupon code if you have one. Once everything looks good, tap on the order and pay option. Now you'll receive confirmation once the order is placed successfully. You can then head over to the U tab, tap on support and customer service, and there you can track or get help regarding your order. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.